everyone. So I had a request to do some short hairstyles, specifically like on short hair. So I brought out the mannequin today because obviously I have pretty long hair. I haven't had short hair for a little while. So previous to this video, I do a lot of hairstyling tutorials on my own hair. I try to make it as universal as possible so you can use it on all lengths of hair. And so if you haven't checked those out already, those are some great resources. But today we're gonna do it so you can visually see it a little bit easier on the shorter hair. So maybe right now your hair is short, maybe it's getting longer than you want it to be, or your bangs are getting longer than you want them to be because you're unable to come into the salon and get it cut. I know that we're all a little bit shaggy right now, but these will be some styling techniques you can use to kind of make it look cute in the in-between time, or until you get your hair to the length that you want it to be, or until you can get it into the salon and get your hair cut. If you have long hair like I do, you can still use these techniques for sure. I just wanted to be able to show it off on the shorter length since I was getting requests specifically for short hair length. I think one of the easiest ways to kind of dress up short hair is using like a beret of some sorts. Got one in my hair today, but these big giant berets are really popular right now, and you can use it to kind of pin things out of the way or even just add a little bit of interest to your style. There's no reason why you can't have one on either side. Big accessory pieces are very popular right now. So definitely don't feel like you're too old to have these in your hair, because all ages across the board, this is a huge trend that I'm seeing in 2020. All right, so let's get started. For this first one, you're gonna need a headband, and then you're gonna place it kind of on top of the hair like so. And I really like this style for long and short hair, but this is gonna work really well if you've got bangs or something that you really wanna get out of the way, but it also works if your hair is longer. So we've got our headband placed, and then we're gonna take this front hair here, wherever you want it parted, and take this piece and we're gonna wrap it around the headband underneath there. Bring that piece out, and then we're gonna take this next piece here. I'm taking about 1 inch wide sections. You can take them thinner, you can take them thicker. I'm gonna tuck that over. And then I'm gonna take this next piece. So if you've got a little stubborn area that just doesn't wanna stay where it needs to go, what you can do is you can take a bobby pin here, and say this is a hair that we really need to get secured. We're gonna go ahead and take this bobby pin and graze it along, try to pick up this piece of hair. We're gonna push it down and right behind this headband here so that the bobby pin is hidden, and then adjust the hair after that. We're gonna do it again with this bobby pin here. Her hair is pretty clean, so it's not gonna wanna stay, so we go ahead, we make it stay with some bobby pins right behind that headband there. Awesome. And then repeat on the other side. If the hair is long enough in the back, you can actually take this twist and do it all the way around and get all of your hair up off the neck. But some people with their really short bobs, it really doesn't fit very well into there. So it's just gonna depend on your length of hair and what you're wanting to do. Otherwise, if you don't wanna tuck it all up and underneath, just take this section out and kind of cover the headband there. All right, so once you got that hair pulled out in the back, you can wear it like so, and it gives it a nice kind of big twist to it, gets the bangs out of the face. You can also pull out the bangs if you actually like to leave those out and have some framing around the face here. All right, so if you do want some framing left out in the front, you can have that, and then have it wrapped around through the sides, and that can be a really cute look as well. So we're gonna do a twist around the face, and what you're gonna do is you're going to part the hair in the front where you want that to lay. I think I want to go just slightly off to the side with her, if she'll let me. Mannequin hair can be kind of stubborn sometimes. So we're going to clip off what we don't want to be a part of it. Then we're gonna take about a 1.5 to 2 inch section all along the hairline here. We're gonna separate that out. And then I would clip or rubber band that away. So here's the section that we're left with. If you're not a very confident braider, I do have a video about braiding and you can go ahead and look that up. Otherwise, if you need a really simple place to start, this is a really great one because you're only going to be working with 2 strands, and that'll kind of get you some practice on how to do more of a 3-strand braid. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're going to take a section. I usually just use my finger, about 1 inch wide, and you're going to break this off into 2 pieces. Then you're going to take this one and you're going to twist it behind, and then you're going to twist the front one behind again. All right, so now we've got those 2 pieces. You're going to take this front one and you're going to grab the section behind it, and then you're going to twist over, and then you're going to twist over again. And then just repeat that pattern. You're going to take this next section, twist over, twist over. And then just keep doing that down the hairline. Once you get to the bottom of the hairline here, this is where you're either going to bobby pin it or you're going to use a rubber band to get it out of the way. So here we'll go ahead and we'll use a rubber band to tie it off. All right, and you're going to remove your clips. And here's a little twist style in the front. This works if you have short bangs or just need to get your hair out of your face. You can do one on the other side too if you like to kind of have a twist on both sides. You can also take this and just kind of lightly pull out these pieces if you want to see this even a little bit more defined, but that's only gonna work if you don't have short bangs. If you have short bangs, it's gonna stick out like that. But if you do not, you can pull that through and make it even just a little bit bigger and a little bit more noticeable there. And if you don't like the rubber band look in the front, you don't have to use that. What I would do is I would just hold this back here and then I would bobby pin the bottom of the twist into the hair, so then it's not as noticeable as well. Otherwise, you can wear the front of the hair kind of over and it covers the rubber band pretty well. All right, so that's a couple techniques for how to have fun with your short hair or how to make it look cute even if you're trying to grow out bangs and you're kind of in the awkward phase. I hope this was helpful. If there's something else that you want to see from me, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll do my best to get a video uploaded about that. You can also check out my other videos. Like I said, a lot of my tutorials are on longer hair, but they can be used on all lengths of hair and can just be modified slightly for whatever kind of style that you have. I have some on braiding, some on curling, bun styles, all that good stuff. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.